Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll talk about India has achieved one more milestone through Brahmos and Sukhoi 30 MKI jointly. So, who doesn't know about Brahmos cruise missile? It is world's one of the fastest cruise missile, which is a joint venture of Indo-Russian. So, it was actually built by India's DRDO and Russian NPO. So this is one of the. It has a speed of almost 2.9 Mach, which is close to 3 Mach, which is believed to have a three times of speed of sound. And it has up till 2016, it has restricted to 290 kilometers. But since India became the member of MTCR, now we can extend it. So we'll talk about it later. First of all, uh, on 29th of December, the Indian Air Force successfully test fired the extended range version of Brahmos air launched missile against a ship target from Sukhoi 30 MKI, right? And the target, actually, this test was conducted in the Bay of Bengal region, right? So, and with this test, Indian Air Force has um, achieved a significant capability in terms of carry out a high precision strike through any aircraft, be it Sukhoi 30 or Rafale, right? So it has really brought significant achievement for IAF, Indian Air Force. And let's have a look how it was launched. So the dedicated and synergetic efforts of Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, DRDO, BAPL, and HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, have been instrumental in achieving this feat. So this is a giant effort by these all entities in terms of carried out this test, and every entity has actually contributed equally. And the extended range of the Brahmos missile is believed to have the ability to take out the targets in sea of around 400 kilometers away. So we'll talk about how we actually able to extend this range. So under the MTCR, if you are not member, if any country is not member of MTCR, so they can't go beyond that range. There is a cap on that range around 290 kilometers. So since India has become the in 2016 has become the member of the MTCR, so now India can extend its range. So let's talk about the capabilities of it has really extended the capability of Indian Air Force, and it has its own. I mean, Brahmos has a lot of variants, so it is the one of the variant of actually which can be fit into any aircraft. So this time Sukhoi 30 MKI, and then it was launched from there, and the target was hit with high degree of precision. Let's talk about Brahmos now. The Brahmos supersonic cruise missile has a two-stage solid propellant booster engine, which is the first stage which takes it to supersonic speed, and the second stage, which is a liquid ramjet engine, which takes it to close to 3 Mach, which is the almost the three times of the speed of sound. And that phase is called cruise phase, right? The Brahmos missile is universal for multiple platforms. So as I said, it has a lot of capability air, land, sea platform. So the missile works on the fire and forget principle. So since it is it is a supersonic, so that is why we call it fire and forget principle, right? Throughout the flight journey, right? So the missile is said to have a lower radar signature. That is a significant because I have already talked about in the previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please watch my previous video. I'll put it in I button. So wherein I talked about radar signature, and I'll make one more video on that So the entire video would be on how radar works, and the if any radar has lower signature, so it has more capability, like it will not get caught into enemy's radar, right? So it believed to have lower radar signature, which is good for it not to be captured, and it can give actually make a fool to other enemies uh, interceptor missiles, right? So how India has benefited from missile technology control regime, uh, actually MTCR. Up till 2016, India was not member of the MTCR, and since then, when India became the member of 20 of MTCR in 2016, so India now can export its missile. Being the member of MTCR, can export it and can actually increase the range from 290 to uh, 400 and so. So I think that is a huge boost for Indian defense system, Indian defense companies as well. And earlier we talked about India used to import a lot of defense arm and ammunition and other equipment from other nations like Israel, US, Russia. But now we can think of exporting it, and there have been multiple talks with the countries like Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, to actually export this supersonic cruise missile, which is Brahmos, a joint venture, and we had a go ahead from the NPO of Russia, so they will not have any sort of you know uh, and export it to any nation or any friendly nation, right? So it's good to boost India's defense sector, and India will achieve many more milestones post that. So, guys, I'll bring more such video for you. So, the only request, you have to subscribe my channel and share my channel, plus like this channel. I'll bring more such videos for you, and I'll please write in the comment box Jai Hind. I'll say Jai Hind, and I'll see you on the other side with a different video. Thank you.